how to sign up or log into Brawl Stars. If you want to sign up or log into Brawl Star, you have to follow this process. So first of all, you have to navigate to your Play Store or Apple Store, and on the search bar, you have to search for the Brawl Star here. Once you have searched for the Brawl Star, you have to install the Brawl Star on your device and wait for the installation has been successfully completed. So once you have installed your Brawl Star on your device, just go for the open option and open up your Brawl Star on your device here. So here you can see that. So the Brawl Star has been connecting to the server and they are downloading the content. You have to wait until the downloading content has been successfully reached up to 100% here. So here you can see that. So on your parcel, you have to hold your device like this and go and connect to the power here. Just go and just go and use your fingerprint here. Here you can see the on-screen instruction on your Brawl Star app. So you have to call it the all power cube here. So once you have collected your power cube, so here you have to fight. Just drag here, just go and fire them. So after that, you have to write your name here to launch your Brawl Star. Go for the right click option, go for the OK option here. And they are connecting to your server. So you have to accept all of these here and you have to follow the on-screen instruction of your Brawl Star here. So you can play here and you can collect your daily gift on your Brawl Star. So just go here. So here you can see. So here you can go for your menu and you can see your profile here. Here you can see that you have been successfully created your account of your Brawl Star on your Brawl Star ID. Also you can go for the three line icon and you can go for the connect. So just go for the next. And here you have to follow the on-screen instruction and go for the login here. And you have to write your email and just go and log into your email here. So if you don't have an email of your Super ID account, then go for your register. So just go and click on your register account and you have to write the verification code which has been provided to your email. Just go back and once you are here on your email and you can find your Supercell ID registration which has been completed. You can see that here and you can see your Supercell ID login code. You have to use this verification code below to login. And once you have write your code, just go for the submit option and you have to go for the connect option. Go for the confirm option here. And once you are done, go for the continue and here you can see that you have been successfully connected your account to your Supercell ID. Here you can see that with the help of this process, you can easily create your account of your Brawl Star. That's it for today. If you like this video, please hit that like button and subscribe for more. I will see you in the next one. Thank you.